Stop wasting time with a blank display. Here is how to fix the Peacock black screen in under 2 minutes. Step 1 is a true hard reset. Don't just turn off the TV, unplug the power cable from the wall for 60 seconds to clear the system cache. On Android or Fire TV, navigate to your app settings, select Peacock and clear the cache. This removes corrupted temporary data without losing your login. If the screen is still black, use the force stop option. This kills the current session and forces the app to re-authenticate from scratch. For Roku or iOS users, delete the Peacock app entirely, restart your device, and perform a fresh installation from the store. Watching on a PC, launch Peacock in an incognito window. This quickly identifies if a third-party extension or ad blocker is causing the hang. In Chrome settings, try toggling hardware acceleration off. Sometimes older GPUs struggle with Peacock's encrypted video player. Check your VPN. Peacock actively blocks these services to enforce regional locks, which often results in a silent black screen. Still no luck? Reset the HDMI handshake by unplugging your streaming stick and plugging it into a different port on your TV. Lastly, set your device's resolution to a fixed 108 OP rather than auto to avoid 4K HDR conflicts during launch. These steps fix 90% of Peacock launch issues. You're now ready to get back to your favorite content. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more clear, high-value tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.